Today, Kevin and I are going to be trying the Love Grown cereal in 3 different flavors. I have the Chocolate Comet Crispies,
the Blueberry Vanilla Polar Puffs, and the Fruity Sea Stars.
These were sent to us, they were mailed to us from Amir in Massachusetts, so thank you very much for sending these to us. They were 2 for $4 at Whole Foods, and so we don't get to shop at Whole Foods very often because it's like 45 minutes away from us, so I appreciate you sending us these. First, we're going to try the Chocolate Comet Crispies. Fly through the Milky Way with a cosmic chocolate cereal. They are gluten-free, 7 grams of sugars, and they have navy, lentil, and garbanzo beans. They are distributed by Love Grown Foods in Denver, Colorado. 1 container is 30 grams, and that's 100 calories. So let's just see how it looks.
Look like puffed.
What's the one with the frog? Sugar Smacks?
Yeah, Sugar Smacks.
That's what it
Honey Smacks.
Honey Smacks.
Yeah, they look like chocolate Rice Krispies, don't they?
Hold that up or not. I don't know if you could see that well or not.
I got extra.
Okay. Very crispy.
There's a cocoa flavor, definitely.
It tastes like a really good crispy cocoa cereal. So let's try it in some milk.
Yeah.
I like the flavor of that cocoa.
The texture, it's crunchy, but it like sticks together when you've been chewing it, so it's a little different.
And that, for 100 calories, I know that's before the milk, but you get quite a bit.
So you could do, I was trying to use your spoon. So you could add a lower calorie milk to it.
Oh yeah. I like that. And it didn't lose, for me, it didn't lose any of the cocoa flavor in milk.
I don't know that.
I think that was very good. You like that?
I like the flavor, but the texture's weird.
I like the texture.
The texture has it's crunchy, but then it kind of gets this like stuck together glued stickiness to it.
I didn't get the sticky.
Not sticky, but it just kind of like clumps together when you chew it. I don't know.
I like it. I think it's very good. I think it makes you feel like you're eating a lot.
I mean, I can get used to the texture. It's nothing like horrible. It's just different than what I'm used to. This
is the Blueberry Vanilla Polar Puffs. Explore the Arctic with a cool blueberry vanilla cereal. It has 6 grams of sugars, and it's still made with navy, lentil, and garbanzo beans. It's 100 calories once again for the container. So
these little puff balls.
Looks like little puffs. Whoop.
Yeah, see, like that chocolate cereal is like stuck in my teeth.
I don't know if these are going to be different flavors and different. Wow. That has.
What's that, blueberry?
Blueberry.
Yeah. Very strong blueberry flavor.
But I like it. That is so good. Do you like the blueberry flavor?
Yeah, if you like blueberry, you'll definitely like these because they're strong blueberry.
It is strong. It surprises me how strong it is. Okay.
They're very crunchy. Again, I don't mind the flavor. I just don't like the texture. The texture to me, it's very crunchy, but then once you're chewing it, it's like, I don't know, it gets all in your teeth and it kind of gets hard, and I don't know, it's just something with the texture I just don't like.
I like it.
Textures are different for different people, you know, and that for me is just not my thing.
You either like it or you don't.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay. This is the Fruity Sea Stars. Oh, and by the way, That one stayed, you could really...
Very crunchy.
You could, it stayed crunchy, but you could taste
flavor.
The flavor of the blueberry did not diminish in milk. I thought it was really
I agree.
good.
It was very strong the whole time.
This is the Fruity Sea Stars Dive Under the Sea with a colorful fruity cereal. This one is only 90 calories.
And it looks just like that one, except it's stars.
It has pink and purple and what color is that?
Yellow.
You think those are yellow?
They look yellow.
They're like a grain color.
No, a yellowish tan.
So this is just fruity.
Reminds you of Pebbles.
It
Fruity
does.
Pebbles.
It does. It tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
Except not as good. Very, very similar flavor to Fruity Pebbles.
Now see, I think they're delicious.
I don't like the flavor.
Huh?
I like the flavor.
You just don't like the texture.
Hate the texture.
Really? I wonder what it is with you and
know.
this texture.
I don't know.
Making me eat it.
The flavor's got a little lighter in the milk. Not a lot, but somewhat lighter.
That is so good. I love that flavor.
Okay. Cocoa Puffs. If you're not looking for organic type stuff, Cocoa Puffs for these.
Well, these aren't organic. They're just made with
I thought they were
navy, lentil, and garbanzo beans.
One of them said organic.
I don't think these are organic.
Oh, okay. Maybe.
Yeah, these aren't organic.
They're just made with weird stuff. The regular version of Cocoa Puffs I like better than this version. Don't know what you compare the blueberries to because I don't know of any cereal that has blueberries in it, but I just don't like the texture. The flavors are okay.
We had the Captain Crunch blueberry pancake, whatever, and this is much stronger, the blueberry.
Oh yeah, the blueberry is strong. It's probably one of the strongest blueberry cereals, and the flavors have lasted pretty decent in milk. Like I said, mine's all about the texture. I'd much rather have Fruity Pebbles than these. I'd much rather have Cocoa Pebbles or Cocoa Pebbles for those. But beyond that, the flavors are good. So if you're not bothered by the texture, then go for it.
I don't know how these compare. For me, it would come down to calories because that's what I look at in everything. So for me, I would compare the calories. Okay, how much is that? Because I think the flavors are all really good. So I would say how many calories are in Cocoa Puffs, how much do you get, and compare it to these. Because I think for 30 grams, 100 calories, I think this is a really good amount of cereal.
You get a lot of cereal.
I like all three of the flavors. I guess my favorite flavor would be, gosh, it's hard. Probably the fruity one. I like the fruity the best. And then the chocolate, a close second, and then the blueberry. Just because I think I would get tired of having the blueberry every single day. But I actually like these. I like the flavor. I like the texture. I like everything about them. You like the flavor. You just didn't like the texture.
I like the texture.
Yeah. So it's something that you're going to just have to try and see for yourself. Whether you like it or not, you're going to just have to spend the $2 at Whole Foods and see.
Right.
So Amir, thank you very much for sending these to us.
Always.
I will have a picture for you at the end, and thanks for watching.